Formula One is full of speculation following Lewis Hamilton's decision to join Ferrari in 2025, leaving the Mercedes spot open. And according to Toto Wolff, head of the German team, Max Verstappen is the main candidate to occupy this place next season. When Hamilton announced his move to Ferrari, Verstappen appeared committed to Red Bull by the end of 2028. However, controversy surrounding Christian Horner, director of the Red Bull team, led to speculation that Verstappen could anticipate his departure should Horner remain in office. Amid these rumors, Verstappen inserted a Marco clause into his contract, allowing him to leave the team early in case Red Bull director Helmut Marko steps down. This increased speculation that Verstappen could join Mercedes ahead of major changes in power unit regulation. In an interview with Fox Sports Australia, Wolff highlighted the importance of a relationship with Verstappen and mentioned that Mercedes will make a decision this summer. However, he stressed that it all depends on what Verstappen decides to do. Wolff revealed that Mercedes had the opportunity to sign Verstappen while he was in Formula 3 in 2014, but could not compete with the Red Bull offer at the time. Now, with the Mercedes spot open, Verstappen emerges as the #1 pick, though Wolff does not rule out other candidates like Fernando Alonso, Carlos Sainz, and Andrea Kimi Antonelli. The relationship between Verstappen and Mercedes could complete a cycle that began years ago when the German team tried to recruit the talented Dutch driver. Now, with the future open, it remains to be seen whether Verstappen will take the road to Mercedes or remain with Red Bull. And you, what do you think about the possible trip from Verstappen to Mercedes? What would be the consequences for the Formula One scenario? Share your opinion in the comments and sign up for more updates on the exciting world of motorsport.